Good morning, everyone! Good morning, Isay. It's the 13th of October, 2025. Ang time is 8:30 na ng umaga. It's Monday, actually, guys. And here I am with Aliyah. Yes, that's a mic. So, kaming dalawa lang ngayon because si Daddy ay pumasok na. Every Monday, Andy doesn't work from home. So, every Monday, Andy goes to their office to work. And then, every Tuesday to Friday, he works from home. So, since, guys, this week, starting this week, until December, all of my Mondays are, my annual leave. So, ang dami ko kasing annual leave from my maternity leave and the other year pa. It accumulated so much. So, what we did is, I spread all the days in every Monday until December. And then, so that Aliyah would just go to the nursery for 4 days. So that we don't need to pay so much. Kasi, pagka full time namin si Aliyah, from Monday to Friday siya, it would cost us so much, guys. Like, literally, if we don't have child help, like child care free hour na 30 hours, if wala yun, we would pay 1,600 pounds, guys. So, times 70. Magkano yun? So, a child care cost here in the UK, without the child care free from the government for 30 hours is 1,600 times 70. Oh. Yes, lady, I can hear you. It's 112,000. 110,000, sabihin mo na lang. Every month, guys. Ganun siya kalala. Ganun siya kamahal, guys. But now, we are still paying parang nasa 700. Kasi meron kaming tax. So, 4 days lang siyang pumupunta. Then, nakakuha kami ng 30 hours free. And then, so 30 hours free. So, bali ang pinabayaran na lang namin ngayon is 500 pounds, roughly. Parang ganun. 550 pounds ata. Every month. So, kalahati. 550 times 70. So, mahal pa din. 550 times 70. Nasa 38,000 pesos every month yung binabayaran namin sa nursery ni Aliyah. Kasama na doon, guys, yung discount namin, tax rebate, and then as well as yung free hours from the government. Ayun. So, anyway, that's why every Monday until Christmas time, naka-off ako ng Mondays. All Mondays yun. Pinablock ko sa manager ko, which work well for us naman. Kasi nandun pa yung maternity cover ko. And then, I would request a flexible hour for the next year. Yun. Ayan si Aliyah, guys. Yan. Yun siya. Lulutuan ko siya ng, oatmeal for her breakfast. Yan. So, we can cook, na for Aliyah. Her breakfast. Si Lady, nakapag, na yan, breakfast na. Anyway, guys. So, ganito nga yung, sa UK, yung bayaran ng childcare. Kaya, guys, kung meron kayong, ay nako, lady, ingay na aso. Kung may nag-aalaga sa anak yon na free, appreciate them, guys, because talaga naman, hindi lahat ay may luxury of childcare na free. Okay? Kunyari, yung nanay nyo, inaalagaan yung anak nyo, in-laws nyo, inaalagaan nila, full-time, God, appreciate them. Really. Like, katulad namin, as much as we want na yung lola ni Aliyah ang mag-alaga sa kanya, doon nandito yung lola niya na nanay ni Andy. Siyempre, may life din naman sila. Kumbaga, meron din siyang mga pinagkakaabalahan. Mainit pa, anak. Oh, yeah. You say hi to the guys then. Pinapanood niya si Horton. La, 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 la. We're going out, okay? Niluto ko na oatmeal. Ito na lang. You want your strawberries? Yes? Yes, yes, yes? Yeah? Okay. Mommy need to wash it first then. Yeah? Let's show the guys what we're doing. So they can see. Wash. How many strawberries you wanna eat? Mommy cut it into quarters as well, so it's smaller to eat. Okay. Do you wanna sit in the front room? Mommy will go and get your changing clothes, okay? I wanna go to town. Alright? You happy with your strawberry? Do you want Mommy to cut it? Ha? Thank you, Mommy. That's it. Good girl. Go to the front room, guys. So, Aliyah can eat her food here. Gonna eat here. There you go. Very nice. Kay ate. Baba. Shall we ring Grandma? Shall we ring Lola? It's porridge, you know. She doesn't like it. No. Mommy have to feed you. Look who's here. Oh. Who's that?
Hello, Aliyah.
She's crying. Grandma. Gusto niyang kumain. Gusto niyang... Kaya't naisunat mag-isubo. Kaso, wala siya sa high chair niya. Magkakalat siya. She will, magkakalat. Nagwo-walking na kami, pero hindi pa yung straight. Nag-start na siya. Nag-start na siya yung step. Naka-step na siya ng 3-4 steps.
Medyo na-albisan.
Oo. Kamusta yung lindol? How's the earthquake?
Wala pa naman.
Hindi, di ba nung nakaraan mayroon yung malakas? Sa Maconacon daw yun.
4.3.
O, malakas ba? Naramdaman niyo?
Wala.
Wala. Talaga. Wala? Oh, that's good.
Sa laon niya. Sa pagulaon niya, namidwa ka nung narik na ni Lani. Alam mo yung pugo? Hindi na pa ito nagsiswimingan, kadamanang mo.
When?
Sa laon niya.
Mm-mm.
Daddy Andy.
The drawing pad na, he. Oh, show. Show Lola. Oh. Yeah! Oh, Lola. Oh, circle. Square. Oh, kana. Your turn. Show Lola. My turn? Oh, okay. Flowers. Star. Show Lola.
Wow. Nice.
Nice. Oh, your turn. Ikaw na. Your turn naman. Yes, star. That's it, star.
Yeah, star.
Circle. Circle. Small circle. Big circle. Yes. Kita? Pakpakita na kanya. Show Lola. Yeah. Oh, okay. Your turn then. Your turn. Your turn. Oh, circle. That's. Wow. Wow, that is so nice. Oh, show Lola na. Oh, there. You say there.
There. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, one more. Draw more. Tulog na si Aliyah. Time check. It's 10:20 in the morning. We're supposed to go out para bumili ng stuff sa Asian store. Pero wag na lang kasi. I'm with Aliyah. So we're having our lunch, guys. Ang lunch ko is salad. Bowl of salad with meat, pork chop. Tsaka si Aliyah, she's having... What are you having, anak? So, sausage. Plain sausage. Still hot, anak. Then, nagwa-watch siya ng, si Horton. Favorite ni Aliyah is sausage. Favorite niya. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I love my rainbow. I love my rainbow. I love my rainbow. Oh, 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 oh. Yes? Where's the rainbow? Shall we find the rainbow? Shall we find the rainbow? Is it here? I know it's here. There it is. Rainbow. I love the rainbow. Oh, 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 oh. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I love the rainbow. I love the rainbow. How about this one? Your unicorn book. Unicorn. Unicorn is Aaliyah's favorite book. Since she was 3 months old, we've been reading this book and she loved it. Yes, that's a unicorn. Yeah. It's a flying unicorn. Why is it flying? Because it has a pair of wings. Where's the star? I have nabili sa Facebook Market na toys. Tingnan nyo naman, 20 pounds lang, oh. Ang dami. Look! Banana! Apple! Oh, Ate Lady wants some... Oh, strawberry! Do you hold? Banana! Ang cute! Ano lang, 20 pounds. Ang dami na, guys. Sobrang daming toys. As in. Hold it. Banana! Oh. Ang dami. Ito, oh, carrots. Worth 20 pounds. Sobrang dami. Kaya nung sabi sa akin, popsicles. Oh, ilan to? Oh, ang daming popsicles. Ayan, oh. Ang dami ding tea cakes. Sobrang dami. Oh, may banana pa. Aba, Diyos ko, ang dami. Binili ko na. Sabi ko, I'm ready to pick it up. Tapos sabi ko kay Aliyah, let's go. Tapos umiiyak pa siya doon sa, kanina. Sa car. Kasi to ni Daddy. Toast. Oh, bread. Bread toast. Eggs. Oh my, ang dami talaga. Parang, bagong-bago pa sila, guys, yung quality ng toys. Sobrang bago. Oh, anak, ayan oh, birthday cake. Wow! Oh. Cha? Cha? Banana. Banana. Where's the strawberry? Where's the strawberry? Strawberry. Ah, there's the banana. There's 2 bananas. Show the guys. 2 bananas. Yeah. What about strawberry? Find the strawberry? Where's the strawberry? Find the strawberry? There. Where? This? Show the guys. Give mommy strawberry. Yeah, there. Good job. Yeah, there. I'll give it to mom. Huh? Where's the apple? Strawberry. Yeah. Where's the mushroom? May mushroom pa, guys. So cute. Bottled mushroom.